Hey guys, have you ever wondered what's up with Uranus?
What do you mean Saturn? Uranus seems pretty normal to me.
Yeah, it's just another gas giant planet like us, right? Actually, Uranus is kind of weird. It rotates on its side, unlike any other planet in the solar system. And its magnetic field is tilted at an angle of almost 60 degrees, which is also unique. I've also heard that Uranus has an icy core, which could potentially explain some of its strange properties. But what could have caused Uranus to be so different from the other gas giants?
Maybe it's just Uranus being Uranus, you know?
Well, I for one am curious to learn more about this mysterious planet. I think we should send a mission to study Uranus up close.
Count me in. I'm always up for a good space adventure.
Me too! Let's go explore the secrets of Uranus. Just make sure to bring some warm clothes. I heard it can get pretty chilly out there. And let's not forget to pack some snacks. I don't want to get hungry on the way. Sounds like a plan. Let's set a course for Uranus and uncover its secrets. Wait, are we really going to Uranus? I thought we were just joking around.
Hey, why not? It could be a fun and educational experience for all of us.
Hey guys, why do you always ignore me? Sorry, Mercury. We just forget you're there sometimes.
Don't feel bad, Mercury. I'm small too, but at least I have a cool red color. Speaking of colors, have you seen my stripes? They're pretty impressive if I do say so myself.
And don't forget about my rings. I'm the most stylish planet out there.
Excuse me, but have you seen my unique sideways rotation? I think that's pretty impressive.
And let's not forget about my blue hue. I'm like the cool, mysterious planet of the group. Hey guys, don't forget about me.
Sorry, Pluto.
You're not really a planet anymore. Ah, man! I'm still cool though, right? Of course you are. Pluto, we all have our own unique quirks that make us special.
Yeah, and we're all part of this amazing universe. It's pretty cool to be part of something so vast and mysterious. Agreed. Let's all take a moment to appreciate the wonder of it all.
And while we're at it, let's give a shout out to the sun for keeping us all in orbit.
Yay for the sun! Hey there, I'm Earth's moon. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Titan. I belong to Saturn.
Yeah, I've seen you around. You're one of the largest moons in the solar system, right?
That's right. I'm bigger than your planet's smallest planet, Mercury.
Wow, that's impressive. You're also unique because you have a thick atmosphere.
Yeah, and my atmosphere is mostly made up of nitrogen, just like Earth's. But I have a lot more methane.
That's interesting. I don't have an atmosphere at all.
Yeah, I noticed that. You're pretty barren compared to me.
Hey, I have my own charm. People look at me all the time, especially during lunar eclipses.
That's true, you do have your moments. But have you seen the lakes and seas on my surface?
Lakes and seas? On a moon? That's crazy!
Yeah, they're not made of water like on Earth, but liquid methane and ethane.
That's wild! We should totally compare notes sometime.
Absolutely! And who knows, maybe someday we can even join forces for some kind of intermoon exploration mission.
Now that would be something. The moon and Titan together at last! Hey guys, have you heard the latest about Titan?
No, what's going on?
Yeah, Saturn! Spill the tea! I have a feeling this is going to be good. Wait, hold up. Are we talking about the same Titan, Saturn's largest moon?
Yeah, that's the one. What's going on with it? I heard that scientists recently discovered some kind of weird fish-like creature on the surface of Titan.
What? That's crazy talk. There's no way there are fish on Titan.
Well, the scientists did say that the creature was definitely fish-like in appearance, but they're not sure if it's actually alive or just some kind of weird rock formation.
Either way, it's pretty interesting. I wonder what else is lurking on the surface of Titan.
I bet there's a whole ecosystem of strange creatures and organisms just waiting to be discovered.
Or maybe it's just a bunch of rocks and ice. Let's not get too carried away here. Yeah, let's not jump to any conclusions until we have more evidence. Agreed! But I have to admit, the idea of fish on Titan is pretty cool. Maybe we should send a mission to investigate further. Who knows what other surprises we might find?
Alright, let's not get ahead of ourselves. We'll see what the scientists have to say and go from there. And so, the planets pondered the possibility of fish on Titan, not quite sure what to make of it, but intrigued nonetheless. Whether or not the fish-like creature turns out to be real, they were all excited about the potential for new discoveries in the vast expanse of the solar system.
Hey guys, have you ever thought about who helps the most around here? Well, obviously the sun is the one who keeps us all in orbit. Without it, we wouldn't even exist.
Ah, thanks Venus. You're too kind. But let's not forget about how important the planets are too. We all help each other out in different ways.
Yeah, and I'm pretty helpful too. I have a super strong magnetic field that protects me from the solar wind.
And I have a massive gravitational pull that helps keep all the other planets in line.
Don't forget about me. My rings create a magnetic field that helps protect the rest of the solar system from cosmic radiation. And I have a pretty unique tilt that helps regulate the climate on Earth. Plus, my gravitational pull helps keep Pluto and other dwarf planets in check. Hey guys, don't forget about me. Even though I'm not a planet anymore, I still have an important role to play.
You're right, Pluto. Every object in the solar system has a purpose, no matter how big or small.
And even though I'm the smallest planet, I help out too. I'm super close to the sun, so I'm able to help scientists learn more about the sun's atmosphere.
See, everyone plays an important role in the solar system. We're all in this together.
That's the spirit. Venus, we all have something to offer, and we all work together to create this amazing system.
So let's not argue about who helps the most. We all do our part, and that's what makes us so great.
And let's not forget to give a big thanks to the sun for keeping us all in orbit. We wouldn't be here without it.
Ah, shucks! You guys are making me blush. But it's my pleasure to help out. After all, we're all part of this amazing universe together.
Hey guys, have you seen what Earth's been up to lately?
What do you mean? Earth is always busy with something.
Yeah, but lately it seems like they're building something big. Hey, we're not building anything secretly. What are you talking about? Come on, Earth, you can tell us. We won't tell anyone.
Yeah, spill the beans. What are you hiding from us?
I bet they're building a giant roller coaster or something. Or a new football stadium. Maybe they're finally building that space elevator they've been talking about for years.
Well, whatever it is, it must be pretty big. I can sense the excitement from here.
All right. I'll confess. We are building something, but it's not a roller coaster or a stadium or a space elevator. Well, what is it then? It's a giant statue of me.
A statue of you? That's a bit egotistical, don't you think?
Hey, I'm not doing it for myself. I'm doing it for all the humans who live on me. They deserve a monument to represent their love for their home. That's actually pretty thoughtful.
And it would definitely be a sight to see.
I can only imagine how many tourists it would attract. Well, I think it's a great idea. You should definitely show it to us when it's finished. Yes, we can have a grand unveiling ceremony.
And with that, the planets and I eagerly await the grand reveal of Earth's giant statue.
Hey guys, have you heard about the space trash problem? Space trash? You mean like old satellites and rocket parts? Yeah, and all the other junk we humans have left floating around in space.
I've seen some of that stuff. It's pretty nasty.
Not to mention dangerous. All that debris can collide with spacecraft and cause serious damage.
Plus, it's just plain ugly. It's not a good look for the solar system.
So, what can we do about it? Can we clean it up? Well, we humans are already working on solutions to remove some of the larger debris, like using nets to capture objects or pushing them into the Earth's atmosphere where they'll burn up upon re-entry.
That's just a drop in the bucket. There's still a ton of smaller pieces of debris that we need to deal with.
Maybe we could get some robots to help out. They wouldn't have to worry about running out of oxygen or food like humans would.
That's a good idea, Mercury! We could build a whole fleet of space robots to clean up the mess.
And we could make it into a competition. Which planet's robots can collect the most space trash?
I like that idea. It could be like the solar system's version of a scavenger hunt.
And once we've cleaned up all the debris, we can use it to make something useful. Maybe a giant space sculpture or something. Okay, now you're just getting silly. Hey, we've got to have a little fun with it, right? I agree. Let's turn this space trash problem into a fun and creative challenge for all of us.